Today, we're moving the Ram 50. But first, we gotta go get a truck and trailer. Let's go.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away.
The tow rig for today. Shake test.
That ain't shaking.
If you're happy that the canopy's not going to blow up.
Yeah. It's
Oh yeah, it's real solid. You want another tie down for that? Might not be a bad idea, right?
yeah. Well,
Because it would be embarrassing if that flies off.
yeah, that would be embarrassing.
Just kidding. That was really fun. Can't lie. It's well put on and pushes it almost falls off.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's good. Don't worry.
Falls off.
Right. Oh, thank you.
How far ahead? Just about a little well?
Yeah.
Just here?
We can go down to here that way. Okay. That should be good.
Shake test.
Sheesh. Bro's fitted out. Look at him. Stana. Yeah.
Loading time.
Let's get this bad boy off of here.
Ain't gas.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Why is it brown?
I don't know. All right. So. Yeah, sure.
Now film.
Oh no, you got it.
This ain't gonna be slowly. We all know.
Which door? You okay?
Yeah.
Told you it wasn't gonna be slow.
Oh, that was perfect.
I was clean.
Easy does it.
Well, the leaves will go under its own power, right?
Yeah, that's the intention.
Clean job. I know, I did the exact same thing.
Yeah? Oh, dude, it matches the house. Yo. Paint match truck. Paint match house. Yup. Man, good thing it's not windy.
Rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling.
Okay, so I was going to say this twice. If anything happens to that LNG bodywork, you don't want to know what's going to happen. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
You got this thing in far enough. I think we could push it now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's on the concrete, so it shouldn't be. Now, if there's any body damage on this thing when you're backing out, I don't care. It's fine.
Open the hood. I want to have a look under there.
Currently, it might just be a bag. Just might. Bag.
We just gotta take the head studs out, pop the head up.
Got to get the timing chain off it too, eh?
Yeah, you take this bolt off here, and then the cam actually ends like here, so you just pop this forward.
It is an overhead cam.
Yeah, I didn't need to take the timing apart to get the head off, but I didn't know that until after I did it. Yeah, so, oh well.
Wasted time, whatever.
Yeah,
So
now I get to retime it. But yeah, that's that. The rest of it's all in the passenger seat. Well, it's a new day, new dollar. We're back working on the Ram 50. At the start of the video, we got the Ram 50 pulled into the garage here, the shop, where we're going to be working on it. Warmer in here than it is outside, so that's always nice. Still all bagged up. Let's take this bag off. Today we are finally going to take this head off and see what's going on underneath of there. First thing, this. We got to get this off. Okay, let's see if this works. All right. Alright, that's what I like to see. I'm really hoping that the valves are all seated correctly and I don't have to try and move this cam once it's out. Okay. Now, perfect. There's the distributor. And give this a little shake. Oh, there she goes. Man, I wish I knew about this sooner. God, that really sucks. This timing is not gonna be fun. Head bolt time. Head bolt time. When I was looking up on the forums, I was told to crack these a quarter turn at a time. Ooh, in a sequence that I'm not doing. Whoops. In sequence, in order to prevent it from warping the head, which makes sense. And we continue this until They are hand loose. I'm really hoping that I don't see a big crack in the head or a crack in the cylinder, or I mean, even warpage I would be okay with. If the head is warped, I could live with that. Oh, okay. We got a broken washer here, so that's not good. Look at that. Let's get the rest of that out of here. Damn it. I don't know. I ordered a bunch of parts for this thing. Seal kit, head studs, and I pre-fired a master cylinder because this one looks pretty custy and the brakes don't work, so I'm just hoping that that's gonna solve my braking issues, but I guess I'll find that out. Is this one also cracked? No, okay. But I'm really hoping that these new head studs come with washers. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to try and source some. Yeah, like I was saying, really hoping to not see any cracks. I can get a new head for this, but it's like 600 bucks. Which is a lot more money than I want to spend on this truck, so we're gonna hope and pray that the head gasket is very obviously toast. Even if I had to get the head resurfaced, I wouldn't be as mad as if I had to buy a whole new head. Let's pull these studs out of here. There it goes. Ooh. Okay, there she goes. Uh-oh. I'm already feeling like the valves are not gonna be where they're supposed. Okay. Oh, we got TDC in the front. That's nice. What do we got under here? Yikes. Some custy dusty. Oh no. A Felpro on here, nice. This has definitely been done before, but it's kind of common with these trucks. Oh, damn it. I'm not necessarily seeing anything that screams this is where it was leaking from. It looks to me like it hasn't had coolant in it for a very long time, or at least decent coolant. Let's see what we can see here. Like cylinder 1 still has a bunch of carbon buildup. Cylinder 2, she's a little wet in there. Okay. So I would say it would be seeping into this one. This one looks to me like it's gotten the most coolant to it because it's all partially cleaned there. And this one just looks fucking rusty. What is going on here? It's a bunch of rust. Like there's no massive holes in this head gasket, which is a little concerning. Let's see what's under the head gasket. Might give us some clues. Not really. Man. Under here. Not a whole lot of clues either. Okay, let me show you the bottom of the head. So, I mean, I don't like this. The cuss that's in there. I'm not seeing any cracks, but yeah, cylinder 4 just does not look good. Oh. Oh, no. Uh-oh. I think we might have found our, if we can focus, might have found our issue here. That, to me, does not look good. That is definitely seeping in. Oh, why did I buy this truck? Well, I'm gonna try and turn over the motor so I can see what's underneath that cylinder 4 over there, because I'm not liking the looks of that and I want to see what that cylinder is like. I was told to just put the crank pulley on, and in theory, with it being in neutral, it should turn over. I'm gonna spin it counterclockwise. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. That does not want to go. Uh-oh. Okay, well, let's give it a little counterclockwise. Ah, nope. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, you guys, watch these. Let me know if anything moves. This is not good. I think we got a problem. I think this 4th cylinder is no good. I think it might or might not have completely seized up, which probably means we're gonna have to pull the whole motor out. Like, look at that. It doesn't even want to move. Well, I would say that's some bad news. That's some really bad news. We're kind of, at this point now, we have to pull the pan and start disassembling it from the bottom to see what's holding us up here. I'm worried that when I had it running a couple videos ago, that oil that was in it was pretty shitty and full of water or coolant. So I'm worried that it has, when it was running with that crappy no good oil, it locked something up either in the crank or that 4th piston. Oh, but that's what we're left with now. Motor that doesn't turn over, a head that's most likely shot, because that's gonna leak coolant. Man, this thing is a pile of shit. Pile of shit. I'm not happy with that. But that's gonna be an issue for a later date. That's a next video type of issue. God damn it. At this point, I might as well just pull the whole motor out. Right? Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. This is very depressing. Very depressing. This has gone from most likely head gasket issue to possibly a whole new motor, which is very depressing. Very depressing. God damn it. Why has this truck got to fight me so much? And like, the fact that I had it running a couple videos ago, I think is what makes the whole thing worse. Is the fact that it was running, and I got excited, and then I looked at the oil, and then everything just went downhill. No bueno. In the slightest. Well, I'm gonna take this head with me in the head gasket, and I'm gonna go see my dad, see what he thinks about it. But honestly, I might have to just start hunting for a parts truck or a new motor, which might be kind of hard to find. Well, I forgot to film an outro to this video. I'm currently on my way to school. I'm just about done, which is nice. I'm in the lame neon, so excuse all of the bumpiness and the random clanky, cracky, smacky noises. Don't worry about it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. We got some hype stuff planned, so you know, it's not all bad news. We got some fun stuff coming up. But yeah, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Love you guys. See you in the next one.